Ladies, we're talking contour today. I did half my face with the LYS contour stick in the color Harmony. And I didn't do this side because I just wanted you to see, if you're not contouring your face, what a difference it makes, and also how easy it can be. So the difference, I'm going to show you the difference first. So the main difference you can see is this slimming here and the hiding of the jowl, okay? This side really goes up, first difference. Then the other side, the other thing is the cheekbone is way up here. Now this is a really big difference. My eye, I'm going to get up in here, my eye right here is really starting to kind of hood over. But look at the difference when I contour this right here, how it goes away. See that? Okay, here we go. Here's how I do it. So again, the LYS, and I'm in the color Harmony, which is a little bit dark, but they also have it in lighter shades. I put a little bit there. Okay, now I like this stick because it's pointy. So I take the pointed end, I make a thin line down my nose, then I kind of turn it this way, like triangle this way, but whatever way works for you. And I come right in here like that. And then I do the forehead, just because that makes you look a little bit bronzed and sun-kissed. Grab a brush. I just grabbed whatever brush was here and clean. And I blend that out. Down under here, let's hide the 800 chins. Blends out really, really easy. I use a big brush for the bigger parts of my face, and then we're going to use a smaller brush for... Okay, we're snatched, we're lifted, we're bronzed. If I feel like it's a little too much, I'll grab the brush that I did my foundation with and just kind of blend that back out. Foundation today, because I know you're going to ask me, is Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me, and I am 220. Okay, now I'm going to grab a smaller brush. This brush happens to be from House Labs, and I love it for contouring the nose. It has this little end, and I just come down and just pull that line down the side of the nose. And then when I get up in here, just kind of back and forth windshield wiper to get rid of that hooded part. And out to the corner of the eyebrow, right there. Again, if you feel like it's too much, grab the brush that you did your foundation with and just lighten it up a little bit. And there you have it. You are sun-kissed, you are bronzed. I already had my blush on so that you could see how that worked. And that's your lesson. I'm going to link this for you, just in case you want to pick this up. It's nice. And like I said, I'm in the shade Harmony. And my foundation shade was 220. My concealer today was French Face in Fair Peach. Toodles.